What's the meaning of customer base? Customer base. Customer base.
Customer base. Customer base. Customer base refers to the group of customers who regularly purchase products or services from a particular company. It represents the foundation of a company's revenue stream and is critical for its success. By analyzing the attributes and behaviors of their customer base, companies can better understand market demand and tailor their offerings accordingly. Retaining a loyal customer base is also important for long-term profitability, as it is often more expensive to acquire new customers than to retain existing ones. Therefore, building and maintaining a strong customer base is an essential component of a successful business strategy.